All right, everyone. So I'm going to show you the deal with taking it from Apollo and then bringing those leads over to Apify. It's a pretty simple process, to be honest. So I'm just going to go into here. This is just some of the clean list I have for marketing agencies. So, of course, you're going to want to filter out exactly what you're looking for, what you're doing. So if I want to show you a filtered list, I'm going to go to, let's say, video editing. So this is a video editing scrape that I did. So here's just some of the different filters I used. You obviously filter down to be able to understand who your key demographics are. Then once you have this, you're able to then go to the URL, press copy, then go to the Apollo scraper. So you'll see that here. You're going to want to plug it in. You can search up this Apollo scraper, scrape up to 50K leads. I put a URL here. Number of records required, how many you're looking to be able to pull. I could put like 2,000. And then you can do save and start here. So sometimes you're going to need some extra credits. Sometimes you may be able to have enough, but it will show you about the price that it will take per lead. So it's $1.20 here for every 1,000 leads, all different depending on the way you're scraping the leads and where you're getting them from. But for this system, it's $1.20 for 1,000 leads. So I think that's a pretty damn good deal. So I would probably run this and then be able to build out my lead list. Just an extra step from here. Once you're able to do that and you have the list in your hand, you want to verify them, make sure that they're ready to run and take on that system. So I'm going to go to the next step, which is Million Verifier. So I am already a member of Million Verifier, and you can see what I've done within previous lists is I've just thrown them in here, and then it will spit out what emails exist or just bad, they're just not responsive, what are risky, maybe they're catch-all, and then what are some good verified leads, and then you can download the good emails only, and then you know that you're sending it to quality emails as opposed to getting blocked or bounced from a lot of them and then end up ruining the deliverability for all your emails. So I really use this in my 3-step system. Find the leads on Apollo, filter it out, scrape them from Apify, and then verify them on Million Verifier. So it's really the simple method of how to do this. So, of course, check out the rest of the system. Let me know any questions you have.